Guys, welcome to this quick demonstration of Fomoclips software. So as soon as you log in, you would be presented with this beautiful dashboard. To create your first Fomoclip, head over to the template section. Here you would be presented all the templates which we have in our library. So for example, if you want to edit this template, just click on it, give your campaign a name. So for example, demo campaign. Click create. And you can also edit the text. You can change the image just by double clicking it, or you can change the number of likes, change the text, fresh stock, or add emojis. So I'll just add an emoji over here. You can fill this up with content. And if you want to make this ad friendly, suppose if you're planning to run ads using this template, so just make it switch on and this would automatically become ad friendly. You can also switch on and off the dark mode. So let us switch on the dark mode. In the next step, you would be able to choose and customize the character. So for example, this was the preloaded character. You can always choose a new character. So if you want this angel, or if you want these burgers, once you're satisfied with the video which you have created, just click next. Click on render. Now the status is showing as pending. Just come back to this page, refresh it after 5 minutes, and you would be able to get the download link. So here we have the download link. You can download the video.